Here I have OPPO K11 and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time like this. I mean power key plus volume down, excuse me. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and we got it. So one last time, volume down, power button, and let's get it. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the screenshots album. And here they are. From here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.